number 69. Judge 1. Marisol Kuti, Ifugao. Judge 2. Freniel Galani of Ifugao. Judge 3. Ferdinand Espita, Tabuk City. Judge 4. Dr. Checkout Daniel of Mountain Province. Judge 5. Redentor Sales, Apayao. Third one in the ring, Master Hill Kaludukan of the province of Apayao.
2 minutes?
Let's meet our fighters. From the red corner, representing the Abra Mighty Weavers, Concepcion, campaigning for the second gold of Abra. His opponent across the ring from the blue corner, representing the Baguio E Lions, Derek Farap-Il, campaigning for the third gold medal also. So good luck to our fighters. This is the second to the last bout.
Focus lang na rin. 50K.
La Morena and Kalingayan, please prepare.
Dando di. Nay, kararagan. Oh, sigara ke bagar kayo.
Jug namin ay.
Again, watching with us is Dr. Apolinar Turquesa of the province of Abra and company. Good morning, sir. Supporting the Mighty Weavers. And of course, Nino Tibangay, the good chief of Baguio Division. Start of the first round.
Ya, counter. Kuan.
Talang tarin.
Counter lang. Yes, nasidap mo.
Jokotin naman. Nah. Nah.
That was a slip called by the referee.
Umubuyay na. Tultulan.
Ay.
Darren, space egg ko lang. Push mo, push mo. Bakurangan mo rin din.
Nice one.
Nice. Barang! Barang! Isus apa? Kaway-way yung parang mo. Malang mo yung namamari na na. Sagrang mo naman.
Of course, we also acknowledge the presence of the good chief of the province of Division of Benguet, Sir Lucio Alawas. Good morning, sir.
Uppercut. Yang mulai mo na do.
Wag mo palabasin yan. Wanto lang.
Durong mo na rin. Uppercut!
Composure.
Pinaat mo dyan. Wag mo palabasin.
Boom!
Joke mo. Ano ka talaga sa kamay? Kasi lang Darren.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga boxers para ganahan.
Boom!
Nice.
Layo na ka! Gumanong ka! Layo na! Gumanong mo! Barang! Eh, mailiw.
Snap mo din. Diyan mo. Tapos na yun na. Alaw ba eh?
Kumano ka to Darren? Tingnan.
May tutam!
Strike mo din. Ito set up mo. Ay! Sabay, sabay.
Matake ka mo!
Overlap, overlap.
Lumasidog sa batam!
Patatapin mo na kapsat stamina na.
Straight. Cross mo mato, cross mo mato, direct. Set up mo, cross mato. Go!
End of the first round.
Ubarahan